Hello, it's Steve Dooley and Thomas Parker here with the Lawton team in Tucson, Arizona. We're standing outside of 1579 West Montebella. Let's take a quick tour of this home. Okay, this house is about 1650 square foot. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's built in 1976, and it sits on approximately 1 acre of land here. Some storage there. I got a really nice wrought iron door here in the entrance. Straight to the left here, you have the laundry room. Laundry and storage. This is the main living area. Standard 8-foot ceilings. We'll hit the kitchen in a minute. Yeah, tile flooring. And in the formal dining area right here, looking out into the pool. And heading down the hallway, we have our guest bathroom. Nice skylight, and it's been fully updated. And you got your 3 bedrooms down the hall here. So here's guest bedroom number 1. Underwater theme here. That's actual tile flooring there. It's that wood tile. Looks like wood, but it's actually tile. And that was bedroom 2. Here is the master. I got a king size bed in here. It fits really nicely. It's a good size room. Pretty good size closet here. That's the view of the front yard there. And this is the bathroom in the master. Got a shower tub. This one's also been updated as well, just to match the other guest bedroom, or guest bathroom, sorry. All right. So those are the bedrooms. Let's make our way back down the hall here. And then that's the dining room. Hallway back to the main living room there. This is a gas fireplace. That's the view of the backyard there, which we'll get to in a sec. And here's the kitchen area. They got granite countertops, and nice new cabinets. And they got a hood system over the range there. All this has been upgraded. There's a nice big, like almost commercial range and hood system. And then they got a huge set-in refrigerator, stainless there. All right, let's go outside and check out the yard. You got a covered patio here, kind of runs the length of the house. Nice landscape. You got some grass over there, and natural vegetation. Not too many people behind you. This is a corner lot, so there's going to be no neighbors here. There is a neighbor back there, but it's quite a ways across there. Again, this is on an acre parcel. The spa there. Alrighty. Pool pump in the corner there. And I'll head back through the kitchen to the main living area. And back to the front door, and that concludes our tour.